Hey, folks, I got a chart here for you. It's a song by Michel Legrand, and it's Windmills of Your Mind. I have so many people that watch this channel that really aren't like hotshot jazz piano players, and they don't even want to be. They just want to play the piano and find some nice songs, and this would be one because the chords are not too hard, and there's so much melody going on. You don't have to do a bunch of fancy stuff with your left hand. You could just go like... That's all you need, really. Now watch out when you see that GM7, us jazz players, we see that as G minor seventh, but the big M means it's a major seventh. All right, it's not a dominant seventh, it's not a minor seventh, it's a major seventh. Like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's kind of like an F sharp seventh, but the diminished is better. I assume it's a minor chord there. I kind of cut it off there, so write E minor in there. It looks like the same thing. No. And I apologize for talking all the way through it. It's just to avoid copyright. Yeah. All right, free fancy run. Just do the chord arpeggios like this and put the half step underneath each one.